Hi guys, in this query I am going to do the little EDA on a basis of a data set. So how can you do that? Let's jump onto it. Okay, and let's see. Here's my table, product table. Okay, let me show you the data set first on which going to perform our EDA. See, this EDA is performing on a basis of a product line. See, we have a different categories, ships and cars, motorcycle and all. Okay, so I choose product line and the EDA going to do on a basis of MSRP. I take the product line and the aggregation which I am going to do, it's on a basis of on MSRP. If you are not familiar about aggregations means they are very simple functions like sum, average, count. These are called aggregated function in Sql or in wherever you go, in Excel or anyway. Okay, in Python. Let me show you. So let's jump onto our EDA task on this data set. So first I choose my here is my first column which I want on a basis of product line. Okay, and then after I apply the average functions. Okay, here's my average function and I'm going to apply it on a MSRP. Okay, so let me show you once let me show you one thing, or I have to apply the, I guess I applied group by as well. So if you have seen here's a vintage car, truck and all. So I just group them in a one single column. Then only my averaging will come. So I have to averaging first. Okay, and if I'm going to do without averaging, it's not come because I didn't group them. Okay, so let me do the grouping by product line. Okay, so here I simply apply. Okay, so if you have seen in earlier, I have shown you the complete data set, and then after that we just choose specific columns like product line and average. Okay, and here you can see our classic car average maximum retail price is this one. Okay, but I don't like this average MSRP, so instead I use aliases. Okay, aliases, change the name like average price. Okay, it's easy. Average price, easy. Okay, now we jump onto some other aggregation functions like sum. As total price, you can give as per your choice any name. Okay, sum total. So I show you these two functions. Now let me write other function as well. Okay, then I show you a little bit down here, so the window will become more visible. Okay, average, sum, count. And max. We have to apply those double quotes. So if you want to here I don't give spaces, I use instead the underscore. I use the underscore. So I'm hearing here I'm use the with the spaces, the naming conventions like minimum price along with the spaces, so we have to put in double quotes, make sure. Okay, and why this wrong price thing is coming, because it's saying there's some error, but there's no error. I have to put the comma after a line. Okay, but in last I have to skip. Here I don't have to put the skip because there is no other, so it's create an error. Okay, that's how you can, if I remove this, it will automatically remove. Okay, so these are all the functions you can apply in you can apply. There are some basic functions which you can apply the performer EDA, like we does that in Python, Excel. Okay, so here I get the average pricing, here I get total pricing of classic car model, and the total transactions, the 38 transactions. Okay, and that's the maximum retail price in this category, and that's the minimum price in this category. So it's very simple, very easy. You can try it on by your own, and if you have any doubt, here I have a complete query where you can see, like how to perform. Okay, do little small the window. Now I can already see. Okay, and make sure the two things you have to keep in mind, like whenever you do aggregation, you must have to use the group by, otherwise you can't perform. Because if the like as we see in a table, we have a complete table, but if like let me show and create an error. Like in aggregate function, if I want to see the product, here I have the also, so the product, if I want to show the product name. Okay, if I want to create a product name, it will not product name. If I create a product name, then you will find an error, because aggregation thing can be happen on only on one column, not on multiple columns. Make sure. So here I look, nothing is there. Why this error comes? If you go and see, check. Again, if I run this, error error in expression 1 group by clause is, this is incompatible Sql group code. Okay, so that's how once you do these stuff by your own, so you'll know all those stuff very easily. And if you run this query, and you can get your EDA done with some very few functions. Okay, with very easy steps. So guys, thank you so much. If this is helpful, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.